our tendency is to over-spiritualize. Yung tinatawag din na hyper-faith. Lord, bahala ka na dito. Teka lang, ba't bahala na siya? Dapat kayong dalawa.
Pag-uwi namin ng kwarto, pagod na pagod kami.
Oh.
Kasi we have to be outgoing, we have to be like this and like that. Pero when we go to our room, napapagod kasi parang hindi yun yung default ko eh.
Yun na nga, actually, that was what
Yung
I was
parang
gonna
ganun
say, na minsan I feel like a fraud.
Oh.
Kasi when I'm just myself, with myself, hindi naman ako ganun.
Yes.
It's
Kaya
not-
may imposter syndrome
Kasi
na.
yung kailangan lang sometimes that when people go through a big emotional burden, we don't need to find solutions for that. The biggest solution is your mere presence. That somebody is there feeling with you, maybe not totally, but somehow they are trying their best to be present. That's how we become Jesus.
to others. And we bring in God in this experience of emotions. We are still in control, yes, but we offer it to the Lord na, Lord, hanggang dito lang talaga to naintindihan ko to, kaya ko to. Pero pag umiyak na ako, kasi matatabunan na ako nito eh. Yun ang hindi ko na kaya, Lord. Please be there with me. And here comes our understanding of God.
Going back to the movie, remember, meron sinasabi na, I am a good person. I'm a good person. If you would spiritualize it, I am God's child. I am loved.
Hello everyone! We are back with another edition of the Padscast and we are quite full today. Pero hindi ito yung usual nating sanay na siksikan episode because we finally talaga.
Finally.
At last, ang tagal-tagal ko tong
Niligawan.
pinangarap, pinagdasal, nagmanawag ako,
Grabe siya.
Nobena.
nagsimbang gabi ako 3 times ulit, gano'n. Para lang matupundi. Pero kasi we've been hoping for this collaboration for a very long time and finally we are here with Doc Itchel Alignay.
Hello! It's nice to be here at Padscast.
Hi, Doc.
I'm with the
Finally.
fathers,
Grabe.
Albert and Edo.
Yes!
It's a blessing.
Oo. So si Father Edong, as you know, is our usual katrio natin dito. Pero
Yes.
backseat mo na si Brother Hey J. Doc, alam mo ba si Father Ed kakagraduate lang yan?
Yes.
Mm,
Grabe siya. Ang dami niyang
you've heard.
graduation.
Sa aking
Yes.
master
Yes, congrats.
Ano nga yung tinapos mo?
MA in Theological Studies.
Mhm.
Pero yung aking thesis ay related to counseling and theater.
So may major yun, di ba? Kaya counseling.
Pastoral theology in track.
Pastoral theology.
Kaya ako ay
Pastor niya
nagpa-pastoral counseling din.
Yeah. So pastoral counseling. O sige, ayoko nang patagalin, no? Pero before we interview or have a discussion with Doc Itchel, can you briefly give our podcast listeners a preview into who you are?
Hello, everyone. They call me Dr. Itchel, or if you will look for me in Facebook or in my social media, it's Michelle Alignay. So, what do I do? Mamroblema ng problema ng iba.
Gusto ko yun.
Parang pareho po tayo.
Diba? Kasi I'm a licensed psychologist and counselor, and I do trainings and I do consulting. But that's my secular work. But I'm also the director of similar to his line, the Pastoral Care Ministry, meaning the Light of Jesus Pastoral Care Center. That's one of the mercy ministries of the Feast Light of Jesus community.
Yeah. So,
Kaya ako
pastoral
pinoproblema yung problema ng iba. Diba? Yun ang trabaho natin eh.
Sabi ko na, kaya kayong dalawa pinagsama ko
Correct.
dito. Yung kakaintindihan kayo.
Ang problema, hindi mang-himasok.
Yes, tama.
Magkaiba ba yun?
Magkaiba yun.
Talaga ba?
Magkaiba yun.
Yung iba kasi gusto nila manghimasok.
Ay,
sa
alam mo, mas
problema
madali yung manghimasok eh, di ba? Mas mahirap yung mamroblema, pero yun lang, hanggang doon lang yung position natin. But I'm also a mom of 2 teenagers.
Wow.
And that's what I'm
Yeah.
happy about.
And a loving wife.
And a loving wife of how many
Oo.
years? Di nyo alam.
15.
No.
No. Alam ko.
25?
22.
20.
Oh,
Grabe,
Wow.
no?
diba? Imagine, 22 years of togetherness. Yes. And, alright. So, kaya ko naisip to ngayon. Actually, hindi pala naisip kasi matagal na natin ini-invite sa Doc Echel. Pero nag-align din talaga that you recently had an event
Yes.
featuring a movie that's trending right now.
Yes. So, I think it's just fitting na ito yung talagang ginawa ni Lord Dinesign na pagkakataon for us to be able to talk about a very important movie na maraming na-trigger sa ating lahat.
Oo,
And that is the
maraming
movie
naiyak.
Inside Out. And for the benefit of the Light of Jesus Pastoral Care Center, we had a very successful block screening last June 22. So, thank you for everyone who supported.
Yes. And kamusta, Doc? Ano ba? Nag-iyakan ba sila? Nagkaroon ba ng first aid agad?
Maraming,
Pastoral
walang,
first aid?
walang
Modern
lumapit
first
eh.
aid.
Walang lumapit eh. Pero ang dami nagsabi, naiyak ako, nakry ako. Pero sabi ko, ba't hindi ako nakry? Sabi nung anak ko, Mom, I think you're analyzing too much.
Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi kami mag-spoiler about the movie.
Correct.
Kasi watch
Not-
it.
yeah,
Yung main
yeah.
topic lang and thoughts about the movie.
Ganito na lang. Mag-spoiler na tayo because I'm sure napanood nyo na. So, by the time na marinig nyo to, I'm sure napanood nyo
Napanood
na.
na.
So,
Oo.
kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, ito na yung press the button, the stop button, panoorin nyo muna and then balikan nyo to.
Hindi,
Yun,
kasi mas
good.
magiging enriching yung discussion.
Yes.
At saka feeling ko naman, kahit di nyo mapanood, kahit napanood nyo, ay narinig nyo na to and you watch it, I don't think the spoilers will
When
actually...
the movie, the movie is just 90 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Nasabi ko sa asawa ko nung after, my God, it's like a summary of one semester of teaching development, one subject or two subjects in, I teach in the Graduate School of Miriam College. I teach in the program Developmental Psychology. So, yung subject ng adolescence, ang dami niyang concepts na nakita doon. And then, another one subject that I handle is socio-emotional development, which is exactly what the movie is all about.
O, di ba? Ang lalim agad nung tirada ni Doc. Di ba? Tarang tumawid sa utak ko, sa ulo ko over my head yung
Grabe
mga
siya.
70%.
Correct. Ako parang na-stuck ako sa puberty. Wala pa sa adolescent. Kasi puberty alarm yung isa dun sa ano,
Yes,
di ba?
yun yung alarm.
True. Yeah. Oo, pero yun nga, even if, feeling ko, ako personally, I don't think this hearing what happens in the movie will actually spoil the experience. Kasi hindi na, parang alam naman natin kung, it's the story itself is
Yes.
super basic coming of age
Puberty.
story. Pero, yeah, puberty. Ayan, technical po tayo today kasi may kasama po tayo. Yeah, mag-iingat po tayo sa mga terms natin today.
Kaya naman natin i-landing yan.
yes.
So doon kunyari may tanong kami doon sa movie. Ano yung magandang tanong doon? Yung kay Joy ba na tanong? Or
Kaya, tanongin nyo na lang, ano yung pinaka-striking? Ano yung
Oo.
relevance nito dito? Ganyan.
Pwede ano muna tayo, easy
Oo.
question.
Oh, sige, easy question.
Madaling
Go.
tanong.
Sino yung, ilan na yung characters? 9, right?
9.
from the old
From the old 5?
o yung first
Oh.
set.
Oo, si
Here comes
disgust,
5.
fear, anger,
Anger,
joy, sadness.
Oh.
Nagkaroon ng envy. Tama?
Envy.
Yes.
Envy, ennui.
Ennui.
Yun ang tinatanong ko
Say,
sino yun.
ennui.
Ano nga yung ennui, Doc? Lina.
Boredom.
Boredom. Pero may sarcasm din siyang element.
Oo, under niya yung sarcasm.
Bakit nga? Bakit
Pag bored ka
relatable ba
na,
si
magiging
bored sa
sarcastic.
It's
sarcastic?
Tagalog. In English, it's ennui. In Tagalog, it's wapakels.
Yeah.
So wala
Diba
na
parang,
akong pakialam. Yeah.
So what?
Yeah.
Diba, mapa at we? Parang ganun na lang yung stance mo.
Tapos nandun din si
Totoo.
embarrassment.
Embarrassment.
Yes, embarrassment.
And si anxiety, which
Yun
actually
yung-
is parang the new
she's the
joy
major,
in this
yes.
batch. Diba? So, 9 yun. So, kayo nag-identify the most?
Ay, nako. Ako talaga. I wrote about this in my Facebook page. It's really, I can relate with Joy. Kasi talagang,
The emotion joy or the character of
the
joy?
character.
Mm.
Kasi ramdam na ramdam ko yung talagang nakanote sa akin eh. Yung sinabi niya nung pagod na siya when there's no more solution to going back to the, what do you call that, to the headquarters. Yung sinabi niya na, do you know how hard is it to stay positive all the time?
I know, di ba?
Tapos sinabi pa niya na, do you think I have the answers? Of course I don't. I'm delusional. Yun, ramdam na
Kasama
ramdam
ka
ko
pala
siya
sa
doon.
voice cast.
Kasama ko doon.
Ikaw pala si
Talagang-
Amy Poehler.
Tapos ramdam na ramdam ko na rin yun nung umupo siya. Tapos
Oo, yung nagbukbok na siya.
lumukbok na siya. Parang, oh my God. Parang I so want to
Pagod na
hug
pagod.
her.
Parang si Joy hit rock bottom.
Kung si Joy bumibigay. Yun ang kailangan natin ma-realize. Kasi kung si Joy bumibigay, inaamin niya, she doesn't have the answers and the solutions. And it's not always that we operate on joy.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's a very good answer for us also. That
Yeah.
hindi natin kaya lahat all the time.
Pero mahirap kasi, Doc, parang tayo, we all wanted to be joy. We wanted to carry everything, gawing positive everything. Kunyari ako, I would relate lagi to anger. Kasi parang it's easier to get
Parang ang
angry.
kahawig mo siya. Pwede ka
Di ba, Doc?
mag-apply.
Magagalit na lang ako para matapos na lahat.
Correct.
Pero syempre, gugustuhin pa rin natin maging joy, pero nakakapagod.
Lalo na pag pare, no? Hindi, totoo yan. Kayo, religious.
Oo, true.
Ako naman, counselor, psychologist. Parang ang tingin ng iba, parang we always have this positive composure and we carry the light. Parang
Yeah.
bawal tayo yung maubusan ng ilaw. Para tayong
Kailangan
torchbearers.
pag humarap ka sa tao, may baon ka.
May baon ka. Paano tayo kung di tayo okay?
Kaya nga, kaya di ako humaharap sa tao pag hindi ako okay.
Doc, minsan ayaw nila makita din yung humanity ng priest.
Correct.
Like tayo kasi magkakilala na tayo. We appreciate our friends. Alam nila when we're down, when we don't want to talk, when we're angry, when we're sad. For some, parang walang ganong side yung pare or yung servant.
Yes. Ako, halimbawa, psychologist ako. When, parang, there was one time that I'm really going through a lot and then, parang people are surprised na, talaga, ikaw rin? Parang, bakit? Tao
So,
rin
hindi
naman
mo
ako.
ina-analyze yung sarili mo, Doc? Bawal ba yun? Is that a
Ina-analyze
bad
ko yung
practice?
sarili ko, but sometimes, it can, I'm just also tired of analyzing everything. I just want to remove that hat. Minsan hihirit ako sa bahay. In this house, I'm not a counselor, I'm not a psychologist. I'm a mom and a wife. Period. Para, di ba? Kasi, minsan parang you want to put on your expert hat, but sometimes, di ba, it's hard to give your own dose of medicine to yourself or your family.
True.
So, let's just all be regular persons here.
That's true.
Para meron din naman tayong grounding in human side.
Kasi minsan din, Doc, Father Albert, in friendly conversations, yung nagbibiruan tayo na, huwag mo nga akong i-psychoanalyze ngayon.
Yeah.
Ganito yung nararamdaman ko. We're not invalidating it.
Sinabi ko yan minsan sa husband ko kasi sabi niya, ano masasabi ng parenting expert sa mga scenario na ganito habang nagtotopak yung anak ko? Sabi ko, in this house, I am the mom.
I'm not Doc Itchel.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And then one time sa feast, meron akong close friend, sabi niya, parang, and I'm really, that's not a very good day. Naramdaman ng friend ko. Sabi niya, ate, okay ka lang? Hindi. Friend ko siya eh. Kaya kong sagutin na hindi. Sabi niya, oh my God, ate, bakit hindi ka okay? Sabi ko, tatanong-tanong ka, hindi mo pala kaya yung sagot.
Tsaka yung panic niya, no?
Yun,
Kasi
nagpanic
bawal
siya.
tayo maging hindi okay.
Kasi usually ang sagot, okay lang. Sabi ko, kaya kong sagutin sa'yo. Because you're my friend. Na hindi okay. At alam kong maiintindihan mo ko. Kaya lang, natawa ako sa sagot niya. Kasi, bakit hindi ka okay? Nataranta siya. Kasi hindi siya sanay.
Kasi Doc, parang of all the persons, ikaw yung nilalapitan pag hindi sila okay.
Yes.
So you cannot be not okay.
Yes, and then, hindi niya rin kinaya yung honesty ko. But, who will give it to me? But myself. And I found that my friend is also a safe person to be as honest like that. So, yun yung minsan kailangan natin maging to be really kind and honest to ourselves. And that's what I think I can resonate with Joy. Kasi inamin niya at that point, I don't have the solutions. I'm just too tired to stay positive.
Grabe. Warm-up question lang
Warm
kasi
up
dapat
yun.
Ay,
yun
akala
eh.
ko easy
Oo.
to eh.
Oh,
Oo
Mr.
nga,
Anger, ikaw naman.
tumalon agad eh. Ang light.
Ikaw, saan ka nakaka-relate? Ay, mo,
Inuwi.
Joy. Hindi ba siya si embarrassment? Pero
Actually,
picture
si
niya.
embarrassment
Tapos
talaga.
ikaw si si Anger. O, di ba? Perfect na yung character natin
Kasi
tatlo.
nila ako, Doc, pambansang high blood daw ako.
Yun ang tawag namin.
Talaga?
When I raise my voice, they feel that I'm angry.
Oo.
Kasi when I express myself, ganon.
Oh.
Eh, samantalang ako, during confession, Doc, Father Albert, yun yung tinitrace ko. Sabi ko, in your unforgiveness kasi there's anger. Nakikita mo ba yun? Tapos, oo nga po, Father. Tapos ako si Anger.
Kaya magaling ka mag-identify kung nasaan ka.
Buti hindi ka
Diba?
nagputi at nagkurbata today.
Correct.
Correct. At nagpula ng mukha.
Ako embarrassment talaga. Di lang dahil nakakatuwa. Ang laki kasi niya, di ba?
Oo.
Laki
Sweater
niya,
na lang kulang, Father.
Oo. Tsaka ako talaga yung may imposter syndrome ako. Yung palagi akong feeling ko, parang I'm not Parang pala ang gagawin ko nakakahiya.
Saan kaya galing yan?
Ay, nako, Doc, hindi to bawal to sa live. Tsaka tayo.
Saan
Where
kaya
it is
galing
coming
yan?
from?
Where is it coming from? You know, meron palang
Hindi,
tinanggal
pwede din pag-usapan
meron
yung
palang
imposter
tinanggal na
syndrome.
emotion.
Ha?
May nabasa ako na may tinanggal na emotion
Ano
na,
yan?
na ilalagay sa part 2, shame.
Yeah.
Tinanggal si
Oo
shame. Kasi, shame now, it's just not the shame na nahihiya. Shame has, diba, shame, ang lalim na ng roots niyan with therapy. So, halimbawa, yung anger, saan pa rin galing yung anger? Bakit ka nagalit?
Galit kasi
Because of
napahiya
deep
ka.
shame.
Yeah, napahiya.
When that's rooted on trauma, that's rooted a lot on your growing up years,
Yeah.
na hiniya ka. So, posible yung embarrassment, yun yung, kaya nagka-embarrassment. Kasi actually, that's the more superficial of shame. Tinanggal si shame kasi hindi na magiging funny yung movie.
So, malalim.
Oo, magiging therapeutic
Pero
na.
Doc, may element, hindi naman to spoiler talaga kasi may element doon, di ba, nung kinulong sila.
Oh,
Meron si
naku,
Deep
ang
Dark
sa-
Secret na character. Remember. Wala lang.
Ikaw rin yun?
Hindi. Naalala ko lang yung
Nung
part,
part
na yun.
one,
Baka that's meant to be
Nung
shame.
Inside Out 1, meron si Bing Bong.
Yeah,
Oo,
Si
yung
Bing Bong
imaginary
naman yung
friend.
unconscious, di ba? The
Yeah.
imaginary friend niya, pero nandun sa unconscious
Unconscious.
na. Pero parang yon ngayon, naging deep dark secrets na. Which is actually nice.
Napanood niyo ba yung post-credit scene, Doc? Hindi niyo binantayan.
Hindi ko binantayan kasi kailangan ko na lumabas para mag-thank you sa
mag-thank
mga...
you sa mga tao.
Oo.
There was a post-credit scene
Yes.
about the Deep Dark Secret.
So yung
Yes.
deep dark secret niya,
Pero ayoko nang spoil.
Oo nga eh.
Wag
pero,
na yon.
Kung
Kasi
saan
maganda
nakatago.
siya. Pero ang ganda nung sa dulo ng credits, meron pang pahabol to
Oo,
si
may
Inside
pahabol,
Out.
oo.
Na enriching pa rin.
Correct,
Diba?
Na may inamin sila ulit kung bakit gano'n.
Hindi ko na nga in-analyze yun eh. Hindi ko na nilagay na analysis yun kung ano yung deep dark secret niya. Pero nabasa ko yan.
Basta without spoiling the details, parang it turns out na yung Deep Dark Secret was something so trivial.
Yes, I think kasi we all have that.
Oo, tapos akala mo ang laki-laking issue, no? Tapos
Oo, hindi.
nung nakita na nila,
Yan lang.
yun na pala yun.
Oo, kasi minsan it's your affinity for something. For a while, ako parang I'm a pink person.
Aha.
Pero parang I want to be adult. I don't want pink. Parang ganyan. Parang other kids love unicorn or they love Dora. Diba doon, hindi naman nila pinakita na, pero si Dora talaga yun eh. Kaya si Backpack naging si Pouchy eh.
Yeah.
Yun yung ganun na ganun yung scheme eh.
Yeah.
Because at a part of your life, that's part of your journey. And then you have that affinity or liking. Deep Dark Secret, I'm sure meron dyan. Yung alam mo yung mga pillow na hindi nila tinatapon.
Hindi nilalabhan.
Hindi nila sila matulog
Oo, pati
pag
yung mga
hindi nila
mattress
naamoy
na-
kahit
Oo.
matanda na.
Amoy
So,
laway.
yun, akala mo, ganun lang yung trivial pero something important because posible na may connected doon na memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. True naman.
Oh, I remember one friend, Doc, na when her mother died, hindi niya na inalis yung pillow niya na yun.
Oo. Yun.
Kasi yun na lang eh. When she hugged that pillow, yun yung mami.
Reminder. Oh, it's a connection to something.
Healthy
eh.
naman yung ganun, Doc.
I think healthy naman siya as long as wala kang fixation. As long that you can live your life normally, that's healthy. But if
Pero
you're...
katabi mo yung unan everywhere. Yung ganung level.
Hindi natin masabi.
Galing, ang
Hindi
galing.
natin masabi.
Okay, sige. Grabe naman yung
Babalikan
warm-up
kita.
question natin.
Bakit ikaw si embarrassment? Bukod sa imposter
Teka, ano
syndrome
nangyari?
mo?
Show ko to eh.
Oo nga eh. Ako na lang
Hindi,
alam mo, sasabihin
dalawang
ko na
counselor
lang.
itong magkatabi. Oh.
May imposter.
Parang
ano ka?
sinalang ko yung sarili ko sa apoy dito, ah.
May imposter self ka.
Teka, ako ang producer, so ako may kapangyarihan
Oh, wag mo
dito.
ipuputulin to, ha?
Edit mo naman eh.
Hindi, ano na lang, kasi sasabihin ko nga sana yung imposter syndrome, Doc. Ano ba yung general advice sa mga taong ganun? Kasi marami ha, when I talk to the youth especially, they always say
Alam mo,
that.
ngayon lang naman nauso yung term,
Yeah.
na imposter syndrome. But when you say kasi imposter syndrome, you're trying to be, we have the pseudo self and the authentic self.
Ay, na naman tayo.
Being
Lord.
somebody that...
Being
you're
somebody you
not.
want, di ba, that becomes the imposter. O, dalawa naman kami mag-explain eh. And then the authentic self, that's who you really are. When you say you're trying to your imposter syndrome is that you feel that you are not putting out there your authentic self. And the big question is that, why not?
Kasi ito yung malaking point, yung sense of self eh, sa movie na to. Di ba?
Yes. You know, if there's something that I'm so happy about in this movie, it's that sense of self.
Yeah.
So,
Ayan.
yung pinakita doon, yung na-develop yung version 2, di ba may version 1? Yung
I'm a
sinira.
good person.
Tapos yung second, yung parang people pleaser, parang I'm only good if my friends accept me, if I'm only good if I make it to the team. That's actually more like you're building your pseudo self, or yung tinatawag nyo, the reference now is the imposter syndrome. Why? Because it's connected to what other people are expecting about you. Not really your inherent goodness, your inherent talents, the inner self wanting to come out. Kaya marami nagmi-midlife issue, di ba?
Yeah, di ba yung biro natin no na, Doc, pag-uwi namin ng kwarto, pagod na pagod kami.
Oh.
Kasi
True.
we have to be outgoing, we have to be like this and like that. Pero when we go to our room, napapagod kasi parang hindi yun yung default ko eh.
Yun
Like,
na nga, actually, that was what
yung
I was
parang
gonna
ganun
say,
siya.
na minsan I feel like a fraud.
Oh.
Kasi when I'm just myself, with myself, hindi naman ako ganun.
Yes.
It's
Kaya
not,
may imposter syndrome
it's
Kasi-
na.
not Doc pretending to be
Well,
something
maybe
talaga.
it's not an imposter syndrome, but maybe it's because the mission needs you to be more outgoing.
Yeah.
But you don't need to please everyone.
Oo naman. Sinuko ko na rin yan, Doc, luckily.
Luckily.
Natawid ko na yan.
Natawid mo na. Na-overcome mo na yan. Okay, hindi na natin yan.
Nakakapagod.
Di ba yun yung sabi mo nakakapagod? Kasi sa totoo lang, yung din, if po-project natin to sa sarili natin, kasi yung mission natin sa buhay, expected tayo to be so.
Yeah.
Kung ang trabaho natin is like backroom, kahit na tahimik tayo the whole day, it's okay. Pero hindi eh. We're expected to help others. We're expected to talk.
Yeah.
You know mo, kailangan natin magdaldalan para sa podcast. 'Di ba? But then that's okay because that's part of the mission.
Hindi naman, Doc, na ayaw natin yung ginagawa natin. We really
Yeah,
are doing
yeah.
it. Like ako sinasabi na, kasi hindi naman nila alam, I'm turning 50 next year. So naka-midlife. Yes.
Kala ko 49.5 ka lang.
actually. Pero kasi, Doc, yun, nung nagpa-counseling din ako, sinabi ko na, bakit ganon? I feel like I wanted to be alone again, pero I'm not used to this. Kasi nga, nung nag-college ako, masko. Nung nagtrabaho sa TV, tapos nagpare. So, lahat to outgoing. Pero bakit yung parang, gusto ko na ulit yung isa sa room, tahimik ako, I'm happy.
Kasi magsi-50 ka na. And that is the midlife journey. And the midlife journey is inviting you to revisit your authentic self.
Ibang
But I
klase.
have lived with that, Doc, for like almost 2 decades sa TV tsaka sa theater. Okay naman ako.
Eh,
Pero
nag-iba
ngayon-
na naman yung season ng buhay mo. Nag-iba yung invitation of the season. Developmentally, nag-iiba yung needs.
So parang yung sense of self pwedeng magbago din siya. Like ito kasi puberty to...
Siya pa rin.
Siya pa rin.
Nag-iiba lang ng nadadagdagan ng layers, may natatanggal na layer,
May nagsished.
may nagka-shed, merong, okay, para siyang sorting, ano tong kailangan ko. Teka lang, puberty tayo eh.
Kaya nga,
Pero
kaya nga.
papuntang mo lang. Pero ito lang ang tip ah.
Oo.
Puberty is actually the physiological and the physical changes that affects the psychological changes during the time when there is a rapid transition from childhood to adolescence. So dito yung nagbabago yung boses
Katawan.
ng men, nagkakaroon ng armpit hair, ng bigote. Sa girls naman, dito yung nagkakaroon ng period,
Ng boobs.
nagiging masungit. So this is the take note, marked physical and physiological changes. So many hormonal changes, but so many psychological changes. That's why many individuals or kids cannot keep up. Kaya parang pag ang parents sabihin nila, ba't parang nagbago yung anak ko nung nag-high school? Nagbago po talaga siya. Sabi ko nga, period, nagbabago sila. Kasi they're expecting that they're still the same tuti-patuti.
Kids,
Hindi
yes.
na. And you need to respect because that's how it is. Period. So, honestly, when you go to midlife, so yung mga nagpe-perimenopause tulad ko, nag-go through ng midlife changes, ang midlife is a psychological, menopause or sa menandropause, that is the puberty, the physical and the physiological. The same hormones are being activated but they're declining now. Kung sa puberty, ang tawag dyan, raging hormones to give way for a teenage life na papunta sa adulthood, sa midlife, declining yan. Sasabayan mo pa yan ng hormonal changes. Midlife is the psychological process, the psycho-emotional and the spiritual process. But it happens because it's the middle adulthood stage that when you're already in your old years, this is the person I want to live with for the rest of my life. Lord, eto na ako. Yung totoong ako. Na-unpeel mo na yung layers na ayaw mo.
Authentic self.
Doon lalabas si authentic self. So, ang lagi ko sinasabi, pag hindi nahanap during the process ng adolescence, yung si sense of self, yung totoong ikaw, may problema tayo ng adulthood. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung iba, they actually just live with their imposter syndrome. At yan ang nagiging true self nila.
Kasi Doc, hindi na na-recognize, hindi rin na-develop.
Oh, there's no way to develop.
Kasi we call it before the storm and stress age ng tao, di ba? Yung puberty.
Pero ganoon din ng midlife. Iba lang ang packaging.
Parang thunderbolt and lightning na ito.
Very, very frightening pala yan.
Yeah.
Galileo! Grabe, sige na, nandiyan na kasi tayo. Kasi yung sa puberty, Doc, you authored a very viral post. As of this writing, umabot na ba to ng Washington?
Hindi naman. Parang ano lang siya, 1.1, parang 1.1
shares? 1,000
shares.
shares?
1,000 plus shares in my from my Facebook page. Sana talagang binasa nila at inintindi nila, 'di ba? Hindi lang nila basta shinare. Ayun, 1.3 na pala and 1.8 likes.
Imagine that. Kasi yun nga, I think one of the things that really resonated with a lot of people, yung sinabi mo na yung the core parenting years is that stage. Pwedeng pa-unpack lang ng kaunti, Doc, why you said that.
Bakit? Ang sense of self, ito yung nabubuo from the time that you're younger until unti-unti itong binubuo ng parents eh. Kasi 'di ba the family is the basic unit of society. So ang immediate what do you call that? Ang immediate sense of security of a person from birth is actually the family. So, unti-unti yan. Tapos, ang magpo-form din nung sa movie, mayroong belief system.
Yeah.
The sense of self is formed by the belief system. Yun yung parang mga spokes na nabubuo because of the core memory. Saan ba manggagaling yung core memory? Di ba family rin naman yung magbubuo? Kaya pag sinabi ng mga going to the parents. Pag sasabi ng parents, may problema yung anak sa school. Nasa school naman po madalas yung anak ko eh. Baka dito galing ang problema.
No.
Because the belief system, the belief system did not come from the school.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pagpunta yan sa school, kahit na preschool yan, may belief systems yan. Unconscious yan na form. Ang core memory niya na form sa family. They will only be formed and influenced heavily by the school kung walang maayos na core memories na nabuo. So, ang sense of self niyan, mas malaki yung space. Pag negative influence ang pumasok dyan, mas maraming core memory kaya sabihin ng iba, hindi naman siya ganyan nung bata. Bakit nagka-problema nung adolescence? Kasi, problematic to begin with yung adolescence. Kung walang pondo yung parents, from maliit hanggang sa mag-teenager, di ang lakas ng pondo ng influence ng external environment. Pero kung maganda na yung upbringing ng parents na form yung core memory, ang belief system, madami na. So kahit na may belief system pa na I am not good enough, yan, I will only be as good as what my friends expect of me, meron pa rin magbabalanse na iba. Kasi marami ka ng magagandang nabuo.
Yeah.
So it's kaya yung third version ng sense of self in the movie, 'di ba? You're composed of both and it's okay. Kasi nagbalanse kasi may pondong maganda. So isipin mo lahat ng walang magandang pondo. Anong papasok diyan?
Yun ang mahirap.
Kaya ganun ka-critical, hindi lang natin napapansin but unconsciously it's really the family and the parents. Kung walang parents, kung as long as may significant adults in the child's life, that's very critical. Kaya for me, this is just not a movie of emotions. This is a movie of family systems and how the parents are influencing their kids.
Yeah, kasi kami wala naman kami anak. Pero na-appreciate ko to from as a perspective ng isang taong may magulang.
May magulang, di ba?
Na, ano din pala yun.
Pero Pads, we also need to know that kasama sa belief system, if we will be religious and spiritual,
Yeah.
diyan papasok yung belief system natin sa church. So, di ba, pag lagi lang natin tinatakot na, sige ka, baka magalit si Jesus. Pag pinapanakot mo yung sa maliit na bata, na tinan mo, nakatingin sa'yo yung
O yung
santo.
mga pare, Doc, like kami
Oo,
ginagamit.
mo yung pare, yung police. So, ka-level pala kayo ng Bombay. Saka ng security
Kaya
guard.
ako,
Pero, oh,
nililinaw ko yan sa pag may family gathering kami na huwag niyo ako ituro. Andyan si Tito Father.
Correct. During parenting talks, I discourage parents from bringing kids inside the hall or inside the, minsan sa Zoom. Hindi mo alam, nandun yung anak. My God, minsan yung bata yung nagsimula, paano pa pag wala akong parents na ganyan? That's really troubling. Kaya I really encourage schools, pag may parenting talk, parents lang yan. Kasi there are parents who put their kids on the spot. Ginagawang excuse, bawa yung priest, o yan, narinig mo sinabi ni father they put their kids on the spot. Ginagawa kaming panakot. Like ako, narinig mo pakinggan mo yan, sinasabi niya. They don't really do their part. So, pati kaya, pag inisip mo yan, at halimbawa, maliit na bata, ginamit yan, yan yung core memory. Kaya nagkakaroon ng fear sa doctor, i-injectionan ka sa security guard, sa priest. Kaya ayaw lumapit. Sabi mo nga, for
Wala nang
confession.
pupuntahan.
Halimbawa, kayo nagtutok, counselor yan, ha? So, pag nagkaroon sila ng concern that needs the help of those important people, paano
Ayaw
yun?
na.
Kasi nag-operate sa fear.
Yeah.
So, hindi siya yung right manner because yung naging core memory about it, yung unhealthy beliefs. So, the belief system, yun yung mga irrational beliefs or unhealthy belief system. So, punitive God. Diba dahil din yan sa ginawang panakot si Lord?
Yeah.
Wrong notion of God. Yan.
Wrong notion of God. Emotions. O sige, pag-usapan natin. Sige.
Oo.
Tanong ko, ano yung mga wrong notion about emotions na kaya revelation sa atin sa movie, di ba? Na emotions are valid pala. Ano yung mga wrong...
Yeah, actually, yun nga sasabihin ko, no, yung immediate reaction ko dun sa movie was nakakaiyak naman ng may ganito na kasi di ka tayo lumaking ganun.
Oo.
We never got that message that early kasi iniisip ko yung mga nanonood ng Inside Out na they're actually in puberty right now.
Yes.
Tapos nasabihan na sila na your emotions are not your enemies, they're not
Yes.
they're valid, di ba? Kasi di ba may ganun tayong sense na parang yung masama yan. Kaya sa confession, Father, nagalit po ako. Parang kung kinuqualify, teka lang, i-unpack natin kung bakit ka nagalit.
Saka
Kasi
sabi
hindi
ng
naman
matatanda, huwag ka daw masyadong masaya. Kasi bukas, iiyak ka. Narinig mo?
Okay, enjoy mo na yan ngayon kasi
Oo,
bukas iiyak ka.
iiyak ka.
Ay, sobrang saya mo eh.
Bakit may ganun? Grabe naman.
O kaya naman, pag nagalit ka, that's very un-Christian pag nagalit
Yeah,
ka.
true.
Kaya marami sa atin, nababiolate na lahat ng boundary nila, hindi pa rin nagagalit.
Yun, naalala ko na, Doc, tinanong mo ako kanina, parang bakit anger? Kasi naalala ko, ako malakas ang aming sense of justice sa family.
Okay.
So I get angry when someone is being like this and like that.
Ayun, dun yung galing yun.
Kaya doon ko siya nakikita ngayon. Bakit ako nagagalit dito? Kasi may injustice na nangyayari.
Oo, kaya maganda nga malaman that these emotions are actually valid. And it's a natural human reaction. Kaya tayo nagkakasala, it's because what we do, what is our reaction to the emotion that happened internally? What do we do outside? Kaya may nakakapatay sa galit. Diba?
Sobrang galit.
Meron naman na parang sobrang joyful to the point of hurting themselves or naglalasing. Sobrang saya, let's celebrate! O, diba? Pwede rin kasing mapasama yung joy Nagiging ecstasy. That's true. Kasi nagiging extreme. So what do you do about it? So, embarrassment. Oh, I feel embarrassed, but that's a call for me to apologize because of what I did. Or yung embarrassment, you will just succumb to the embarrassment and the feeling, magiging shame na yan. So, magiging, parang mga irrational beliefs mo na yan about yourself, that you're not good enough, palpak ka. So, it can go wayward, pero depende yan. Yung emotions yan trigger. Pero chicken and egg, yung emotion nakaka-trigger para maging core memory, pero yung emotions natitrigger because also of the core memory.
Yes. Inisip ko nga, Doc, earlier on, growing up as a male person,
Oh.
identify as a male, hindi kami in touch with our feelings.
Ay, naku, oo.
Minsan kasi, Doc, na-invalidate na, kunyari, panganay ako, lalaki pa, puro babaeng sumunod. Pag pare-pareho kami nasaktan, tumayo ka dyan, hindi ka nasaktan. Pero yung mga kapatid mo babae, anong nangyari?
Bakit nasaktan? At saka yung, wag kang iiyak, lalaki ka. Ginanon ka.
Mami, ganun naman. Kasi
Ginanon.
generational
Kahit
ata
na
yan
bunso
eh.
ka, di ba?
Oo.
Sinabi ko kay iyak, lalaki mong tao. Yeah, I think that's very gender typology. Parang dapat pag babae ganito, pag lalaki ganyan. Halimbawa, I have 2 kids. I have a boy and a girl. Yung girl causing active nung boy. So, ano ba yan? Kababaeng tao ng anak mo. Napakalikot. But it doesn't matter. They have different skills. Same way with emotion. Lalo na yan, pag women, dapat nga softer ka. Diba? Ikaw yung mas nurturing. Paano kung hindi?
O ang male din naman, ang laki ng mga nurturing qualities.
Correct.
Na pag masyadong pinapakita, masyado ka namang attune sa ano mo.
Sa feminine side.
Parang, is that wrong?
Pero ito nga, masama bang maglaro ang boys ng dolls? Ano sa tingin mo?
It's unusual.
It's unusual. Ikaw, ano sagot mo?
Ako no, kasi sa akin, growing up, sinasabi yun na nakikita kasi nung bata kung paano siya inalagaan ng magulang niya. So ginagaya niya yon with the toys that he has.
may ganun ba yun?
Yes, kasi yung play, that is how the kids express what they see in the real world. So, pag inalaw mo yung batang lalaki na maglaro ng toys, doon na open yung kanilang nurturing side and caring side, which is often connected to the female emotion, to the female side. 'Di ba? Yung mga ganong caring, nurturing, loving, usually sa women yon. Kaya, tapos sa men, usually dapat strong ka. Dapat you put up a front na pag nasaktan ka, ay nako, tayo agad. You can easily get up. Pero pwede rin naman pareho, di ba?
Yeah.
So ako, I allow my kids to play with whatever. My daughter would play with cars. She has her own set. And then my boy, pihiramin niya yung dolls, like dati yung may baby alive, and it's okay. So, pareho silang magluluto-lutuan.
Yung pinapakain ng-
Okay lang.
Yung
Oo,
pinapakain yung baby.
yung diaper.
Oo,
Oo. Tapos mag-iwiwi, ganyan. Oh, so, yun siya. So, doon siya nagsisimula. Ang point dito, so, ganun kalaki yung impact ng parenting. So, imagine if we put that, inilatag natin yan with emotion. So, pag halimbawa, lagi kang pinapahiya or kino-compare, anong emotion ang matitrigger sa'yo? Sige, kung halimbawa, nung laging tayo magkakapatid, kinukumpara, tinan mo, gayahin yung si Kuya Edong nyo, ganyan, serious. So, ano na yung expectation sa atin? We're not good enough if we're not serious. So, laging may embarrassment and shame. Kaya ikaw, magiging envy ka na. Envy! Tapos ako magkakaroon ng envy. Ganon. But that's true. So, yun ang nagiging operations. Kanino galing? Sorry to say. It's actually the parents because you're comparing. You're not acknowledging.
Yes.
Bakit lagi ka na lang sad? Tinan mo yung mga kapatid mo, ang saya-saya. Bakit tinanong mo ba yung bata?
Tapos Doc, may
Bakit siya
kinalaman
nalulungkot?
pa yung placement yung magkakapatid. The firstborns are like this. The middle child are like that. The bunso are
I'm the
like
firstborn. Are you the firstborn?
that. Yeah, firstborn.
Pare tayong panganay. Kaya pala ikaw,
Malaki ang personality natin.
kaya talagang para natin pinagtutulungan si
Producer po ako eh. Oo. Ako yung may hawak ng mabaton. Ako lahat.
Mag-edit.
I-mute niya tayo dito.
Yeah, ang galing. Sige, kasi medyo na-intersect na natin yung faith at yung kasi actually yun talaga yung ako naman yung main concern ko din with Inside Out 2. Is kasi syempre, it's a secular movie. You don't
Yeah.
expect it to show
Spiritual side.
the spiritual side, 'di ba, the faith element. Tapos ito naman, syempre tayo mga viewers, maraming viewers na Christian, Catholics. So they try to put their Christian spin on it. Pero like kunyari, I saw a meme of Inside Out, pero si Jesus yung
Parang
nasa
ganito,
gitna ng
diba?
mga emotion.
Parang ganito,
Or
diba?
ikaw si Jesus, ibig sabihin, kasi ikaw nasa gitna eh. So parang it struck me as parang napaka-simplistic naman nun. So, kayo Doc, what would be a sensible Christian understanding of
That,
Of-
for me,
of
for
that
me, this is a
process.
personal take, ha?
Ah,
Don't
okay.
take me.
We
Don't be
cannot guarantee.
angry with
Before
me.
you talk, we'd like to say that the views and opinions of our guests.
Does not reflect.
As an educator,
Uh-huh.
as a parent,
Yeah.
and as a counselor or a psychologist, and of course, as a Catholic Christian, my view there is that Jesus is not in charge of our emotions. That's why it's a gift. Because it's a natural human process. Hindi siya yung magkocontrol, kaya tayo binigyan ng free will.
Yeah.
Remember, in the movie, I like that part when in the first part, sina Riley nag-step back. Tapos sinabi nilang, "You got this, Riley." Yung during the hockey game. For me, that is the sense of self. That is also, hindi kailangan emotion, that is the free will. And the talents and the abilities all forming together to be able to bring out that person, that resilient person. So sa akin, kaya tayo binigyan niyang emotion for us to use it to be closer to Him. Instrumental yan. Pero pag sinabi natin, Lord, ikaw na bahala sa galit ko, wala ka namang ginagawa. Lord, masaya ako, ino-offer ko to sa'yo. Pwede yon, ino-offer mo sa Kanya. Pero pag sinabi, Lord, kontrolin mo yung galit ko. Di ba? Pag sinabi mo, Lord, give me more patience, bibigyan ka niya ng circumstances para maging pasensyosa.
Yes.
Lord, please help me control.
Siya may bugs ng
Correct.
patience. Oh, ito patience.
Pasensya biscuit ba yan?
Masarap yun sa kape.
Alam ba nila yon?
Hindi nila relate.
Pero pag tinignan mo, di ba, halimbawa anger, Lord, sana po wag akong magalit. Pero di ba, lalo tayo nagkakaroon ng opportunities para magalit kasi nasa sa atin yun. So, it's really a human experience. And because even Jesus, He got angry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ako lagi kong reference yun. Ayaw niya magalit, si Jesus ko nagalit eh. Nagwala sa harap ng templo eh. Okay, walang exact Bible verse. Pero tinan mo yung context ng lahat. Jesus was afraid. The Garden of Gethsemane is a witness to that. Kung gaano siya katakot. Diba? So, na-embarrass ba siya? Hindi natin alam. Pero pag nag-explore ka, I think, in the stories of the Bible, there are a lot of emotional component. Yung huli niya, yung surrender, di ba? When he was about to die. Maybe that's also fear. Kasi kahit Diyos siya that
Yeah.
operated. So, bakit mo ibibigay sa Kanya? Hindi naman Kanya, atin yun. May sarili siyang cross. So, for me, it's really part of our human growth. And we will actually, the more we are toxic positive, the more we did not use our emotion to fully live, that is actually injustice to the one who gave us these emotions.
Yun,
Yeah.
dyan papasok do yung misgiving. Kasi we are fully human, so we
Yes.
feel this, we realize this. That's what we offer to God. Like sa akin, pag may nagko-confess na, I got angry. So anger in itself is not a sin. But what you do with that anger, that is sinful. When it empowers you a lot at na mas malaki na sa'yo, and relationships become damaging because of that anger, that is sin.
The anger is consuming
Yes.
the person.
So you say, I own up to this emotion kasi ito yung naramdaman ko eh. Ito ngayon yung i-offer ko kay God na ito yung naramdaman ko. Not, Lord, take over this, all of it. Yes, I'll always surrender to that. But we are the ones who feel it eh. We are the ones who can do something about this. So titingnan mo na lang, what is the Christian thing to do with this? With anger, with embarrassment. Doon papasok yun. Pero ikaw yung gagawa doon.
Diba?
Kasi yun ang binigay
And
sa'yo.
that's right. So yun yung gusto mo sabihin, we are actually responsible for that. Kasi baka nga gusto kong sabihin ni Lord, hoy, ikaw ang nakaramdam niyan, hindi ako.
Kaya nga.
Diba?
Huwag ka
Kasama mo ko
Gusto
dito.
ko yung version mo ng
dami ko ng-
Jesus.
Ang dami ko ng problema dito.
Medyo sassy.
Papaproblema pa rin mo po sa akin yung, pati yung mga eme-eme mo dyan, papaproblema mo sa akin.
Kasama niyo yung ito magalit kayo sa akin
Correct.
pero sabihin, anak, nagtatanga-tangahan na naman tayo. Ilang beses ka nang ginawa ng injustice, okay ka lang. Hindi, over-spiritualize. Baka ito
Correct.
kasi ang sinabi ni Lord, okay? So nandamay ka pa
So
dyan sa
let's be
katangahan
very
mo.
tama, gusto ko yan. Let's be very human about it. Di ba minsan sasabihin mo, Lord, natatakot po ako. Lord, ikaw na itong bahala dun sa fear na to. Bakit nakaupo ka pa rin dyan? Wala ka pa rin ginagawa about that fear.
Yeah,
We are not
yeah.
canceling, guys. We're not
Oo.
canceling. We're
Lord,
not
I'm so sad.
invalidating.
Lord, hug me. Oh, that's okay.
Oh.
Pero okay lang yun, di ba? Lord, I'm so sad today. Can you just give me situations wherein I feel your love? Yun, kaya ni Lord
Yes.
yun. Pero parang pasayahin ka niya, hindi niya yun ano.
Yung Lord, I'm so down right now. Tapos mararamdaman mo, can you send people to take me out of this darkness?
Oh,
And then
that's-
people will come.
People will come
Kasi
and you will
yung
also
concrete,
open your eyes to the opportunities when people will be sent your way. And then that's when that sadness becomes gratefulness,
Yes.
'di ba? Kasi Lord, thank you
Yes.
Thank you for your assurance today. Pero pag sinabi mo, Lord, sad na naman ako. Bakit pa ganito yung emosyon na binigay mo sa akin? Hindi yan binigay sa'yo ni Lord. Ikaw ang nakaramdam niyan.
Tapos nung meron nang nag-reach out, may nag-reach out na sabihin, hindi ito inaantay ko Iba.
Correct. Wala bang white rose?
Kasi sabi ko ganito, may chocolate, hindi ako sasayan yan. So ikaw na.
Yeah, yeah.
Diba? Wag natin idamay si Lord sa isang proseso na talagang binigyan niya tayo ng inherent capacity to feel.
Yeah, kasi kung ayaw naman ni Lord yun, di wala na lang. Tinanggal niya na yun.
Tinanggal, pero that's so boring. Hindi ka natatawa ng ganyan, di ba? Walang galit, hindi ka magagalit. Walang indignation, walang righteous indignation. Walang righteous anger. Walang sense of anxiety and fear. Walang sense of danger ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Ang masama lang dito, Doc, sinasabi ko rin during confession, sometimes we love the drama of our emotions naman.
May ganun.
Oo na, sinasabihan ko yun na buong confession niya, galit na galit
Correct.
siya.
Yung emotion.
Yes.
Oo, sabi ko,
actually.
so galit na galit tayo, hindi na tayo makakaalis sa galit natin.
Oo.
Kasi after owning up to it, ano nang gagawin natin?
Yan yung mga tao that they're getting attention because of the drama.
Yes.
Or
Ay, may ganun.
they're
Oo,
hiding
totoo.
behind their emotions. Galit ako. Kasi iniwanan ako gano'n na ba katagal yun? 4 na taon na ako. Ay, pre-pandemic ka pa iniwanan Dapat naka-move on na yung mundo sa lockdown di ba? So,
True.
ibig sabihin, yun yung sinasabing, that becomes toxic.
Yeah.
Because that becomes you. You're hiding behind your fear, your trauma, your embarrassment that way back. So, hindi mo na na-overcome. And I think as Christians, di ba, we are God's beloved to begin with.
Yes.
Doon
Created
pa-
in the image and likeness.
We are created. Doon papasok yun, yung journey natin to be more like Jesus. Pero kung wala kang effort and you're going behind all those emotions na naramdaman mo, tama ka yung nagiging fixated dun sa drama ng buhay. Ako nagiging fixated ka and you make it your badge.
Yeah. Oh, you make it your identity.
You make it your identity na parang, I'm just...
I'm the trauma victim. Ganyan.
Yeah, I'm just so sad because all these things, misfortunes happened to me.
I'm the
But because
adopted boy. Ganon.
Because you
Oo.
chose to be. You chose to be so. So, pero hindi mo same with joy. Toxic positive, if you've heard about it.
Yeah.
Toxic positive is that, may problema ka na, ayaw mo pang harapin.
Kasi happy lang dapat.
Hindi, happy-happy lang. Gusto ko good vibes lang. Share ka ng share ng mga post ng positivity. Pero nagdadrama, nag-breakdown na yung pamilya mo. Pero ayaw mo pa rin harapin ang problema. Ayaw mo pa rin kausapin yung asawa mo, yung nanay mo, yung kapatid mo. That's toxic positive. You're hiding behind the seemingly positive composure and you're not confronting the issue.
Dok, babalik naman tayo dyan sa mga Filipino understanding naman na sinabi, kunyari namatayan, okay lang yan. Makaka-move on din ng pamilya mo. Parang, hoy, hindi ganon. Yung mourning process mahaba. O kaya,
Correct.
may nangyari, hindi, may dahilan ng
Yung
Diyos
dahilan
dyan.
ng Diyos.
Doon naman tayo namamali kasi ginagawang positive lahat. In-over-spiritualize.
Spiritual.
Nade-depress po ako nga. I'm in a depressed state right now. Ano yung usual sagot ng Pinoy? Kaya mo yan, ipagdadasal kita. Lalo na kung taong simbahan ka ni. Feaster ka ni, na kay Lord ka ni. Papabayaan ka ba? Kaya mo yan. Hindi ko nga kaya right now Ito yung sinasabi namin when we give training sa pastoral care na walang masama sa ganon. Pero hindi sa Tagalog, merong malalim na Tagalog dyan, sala sa hulog. Mali yung timing. Kasi sometimes, all these people need to do, anong kailangan lang ng tao na may pinagdadaanan, alam nila yung emosyon nila, na-labelan nila. Pero kailangan lang nila yung marinig na naririnig kita. You can share whatever burden you have with me. Yun lang. Hindi nila kailangan ng solusyon at assurance mo. The presence is an assurance
Yes,
already.
that's enough already.
And I think, kung babalik tayo sa movie, tingnan mo yung last part, yung nag-anxiety attack si
Oo, grabe yung
si
decision.
Riley.
It made so much sense in so
No,
many
diba?
levels.
Nung nag-anxiety attack siya, wala dun, and then yung mga friends niya dumating din. Tama ba? Dumating yung friends niya, diba? Wala namang words eh.
Yeah, wala.
It's the presence. It's the presence. And yung emotions inside her, anong ginawa? Niyakap lang yung self niya. Niyakap lang siya technically. Ganun
Kaya
lang.
kasi may representation ng self nila.
Oo. So, yun yung kailangan lang sometimes that when people go through a big emotional burden, we don't need to find solutions for that. The biggest solution is your mere presence. That somebody is there feeling with you, maybe not totally, but somehow they are trying their best to be present. That's how we become Jesus.
To others.
Oo.
Kasi most of the time naman, people, when they undergo things or stuff, they really know what to do. They know where they are. They know what's gonna happen next. Kaya lang gusto lang nila ng assurance na there's somebody who's, looking at me.
That's very
and
human kasi.
knowing me, parang
To be
ganun.
seen.
Kasi like may eksena na tiningnan lang ni Riley later part of the movie yung cellphone niya kung may announcement ba that she will be invited to the hockey team. And that's okay already. Parang ganun. So pag titingnan natin, yun lang pala okay na. Yun lang pala yung kailangan.
Yeah.
Sometimes ganun kasi.
Yeah. Ako kasi, like, when I saw the memes, no, na si Jesus yung nagko-control ng board, tapos yung mga caption pa siya na, sa akin ang nagko-control sa akin, hindi yung emotions ko si Jesus. Parang, doon ako na-off na,
Okay.
kasi feeling kasi parang ganun ganun tayong tendency na to look at it like dying to self is like, Jesus comes into your life, suppresses everything about you, and then takes over para siyang conquistador, para siyang colonizer.
Nabanggit kanina
Ano
Which
ni...
is, di ba? I don't think that's the right understanding
Meron akong
of it.
something I wrote also that our tendency is to over-spiritualize. Yun yung tinatawag din na hyper-faith. Lord, bahala ka na dito. Teka lang, ba't bahala na siya? Dapat kayong dalawa. You do your step. Ang paniniwala ko kasi, you do your step and then offer it. Or, Lord, I'm going to do this. Please bless me or direct my
Yes.
path. But hindi siya yung mag-step in. Ikaw pa rin.
Kasi given that freedom, sana ginawa lang tayo ng robot ng Diyos.
Correct.
Yun na.
Para may button siyang ipipress.
Hindi
yun na.
pwedeng si God lahat.
Hindi binigyan niya tayo ng freedom eh.
Yeah, kasi like ako, nandun ako sa, yung holiness is like self-actualization, di ba? It's not God na sisirain ka niya, tapos walang matitira sa'yo, tapos siya
Siya nang bahala.
Siya nang
Siya nang
bahala
gagawa.
sa lahat.
Para
Kasi
ba-
like, di ba, yung joy, joy is a gift of the Spirit. But it doesn't mean that kay Jesus nang gagaling lang yung joy. Parang yung joy mo ay enhance itong otherworldly joy.
Halimbawa, dun sa movie, di ba meron siyang wrong moves na ginawa because of anxiety? Yung,
Natutuwa ako sa character ni Anxiety.
yung ninakaw niya yung
Yung notebook. Oo.
O halimbawa, sa totoong buhay, meron ka rin ginawang ganon.
Yeah.
Tapos, nung huhulihin ka na, sinabi mo, Lord, napunta po ako dito dahil sa'yo, ikaw na po bahalang maglabas sa akin.
Hala.
Ano sabihin sa'yo ni Lord? Sige nga, Father, ano nga sabihin sa atin?
Okay ka lang.
Okay ka lang. Ikaw nagpunta
Ikaw yan
dyan eh.
Yun din nating makikita kasi yung sense of self natin eh.
Yeah.
Yes, we're created in image and likeness of God, but we're all unique. May particularities eh. May binigay sa atin. We have to own up to it na, yes, we'll be later on like an alter Christus, another Christ.
Yeah, which
but a
is
Christ that is
you.
distinct
Yeah.
with what I have experienced.
Yeah.
Ganun siya. Hindi yung, dahil dinesign ako, eto na lang lahat, by default, susunod na lang ako na bilang robot. Hindi.
Kasi, I think yung iba, mas magandang gawing excuse. Sorry mas magandang gawing excuse na bahala na si Lord kesa sa harapin yung totoong issue. Kasi alam nyo, mas mahirap yung self-confrontation eh. Kasi makikita natin dun yung limits natin. Ang pinakamahirap emotion na aminin is that we're afraid, we're anxious, at kung ipapasok mo dyan si shame, we're embarrassed. We're embarrassed to admit we're embarrassed. We're embarrassed to admit we fail. And then sadness comes. Sometimes you don't even admit na nalulungkot ako. Bakit? Kasi may inggit at selos eh. So even the unpleasant emotions, because we're so programmed culturally na dapat lagi kang masaya. Dapat ang dami nating dapat. But we don't realize that all this spectrum, di ba, envy can actually move you to become a better person. Halimbawa ako when I finished my MA, hindi ako nakapagmarcha. Kasi I had miscarriage. So inis na inis ako noon. Inis na inis ako kasi parang pinaghirapan ko to. 8 taon yung MA ko. 8 taon yun kasi nag-asawa ako, nakunan ako, nag-anak na naman ako, nakunan na naman ako. Parang may journey yun. But that sadness, sabi sa akin nung dean nun, mag-motivate ka na lang yung sarili mo na mag-PhD, dun ka magmarcha. Hindi ko binitawan yun. Pero di ba galingan from a point of grief and pain? Kasi because of my love for my family, I want to raise a family. That's love. But I had this miscarriage, that sadness, na hindi ako nakagraduate. But the joy there is that I was able to finish my master's. Pero meron pa rin akong goal. Gusto ko talaga makita yung sarili ko sa toga. So anyway, diba, they can all coexist. Grief, sadness, joy. Kaya niyang mag-coexist, oh. Pero that all pushed me to hold a dream na makagraduate ng nakatoga. Makapagmarcha. So yun yung ginawa kong image for me to finish the PhD. Gusto kong magmarcha, gusto kong matapos.
Yeah.
Pero pa isa, gusto kong maging PhD by the time I'm 40. Kasama yun.
Magmarcha with a toga.
Yes.
Kasi ako, Doc, na late ako nung MA March ko, pero nakahabol.
O, nakatoga ka pa rin.
Nakatoga pa
Very
din.
good. Oo.
Kasi pag sinasabi ko naman sa confession, you're actually, if you feel envious about others, what you do with that envy can be something good and bad.
Yes.
If you're too envious, you're trying to destroy them or destroy yourself because of that envy, that is sin.
Yeah.
But if you're envious and it propels you to be a better person, better version of yourself, yun, that is good.
Yeah.
Meron akong sinulat dun in my book, ito. Papakita ko sa kanila.
Yes,
para
yes,
hindi halata
go.
pinopromote ko. Here, this is my
Ready ka,
book.
Doc, ah.
You Can Care for You. There's a part there about sitting in with our emotions. But you always have to remember, any emotion, it's actually a self-confrontation. Pag may emotional process ka, laging tinatanong dyan, what is this emotion telling me about myself? Kasi ang tendency natin, we are actually accustomed na sinisisi natin ibang tao. Nagalit ako dahil sa'yo. Naiinggit ako sa'yo. Lagi nating projection, but that's too juvenile. Nung bata tayo, pwede yun. Pero when we're older, that becomes part of our self-reflection and introspection. Bakit ako nainggit? Bakit ako nagalit? Saan galing to? Why am I so embarrassed? Why am I sad whenever I'll have this imposter feeling?
Yeah.
Bakit kaya? So, ibig sabihin, meron yan. So, dun papasok si unconscious, dun papasok si belief system, kasi baka nandyan yan somewhere there. Hindi mo lang mahanap at that moment, pero kaya nagkakaroon ng emotions. Ibig sabihin, may na-trigger. Something was tapped. So, it's up to us actually to admit it, to be aware of it, sa emotional literacy. There's this professor, his name is Mark Brackett. Kasi meron siyang institute sa Yale. I think he's from Yale. I hope he is. Meron siyang tinawag na ruler. The ruler technique in understand, recognize, in emotional maturity, recognize, understand, label. Hindi mo label agad kasi minsan di mo maintindihan, di ba? Recognize, ay, may nangyayari sa akin. Understand. Kasi kanina, kinuha mo yung tempura ko, isusubo ko na lang. Yun. Understand. L. Label. Nainis ako sa'yo. Nainis ako. So there's irritation. Or there is maybe anger. Ruler, recognize, understand, label, express, and regulate. Tingnan mo, ang ganda nung huli. Regulate. Sorry. If we become too spiritual about it, yung regulation binibigyan natin kay Lord. Ayaw nating intindihin, no? Na-recognize na, nainis ako, Lord, ikaw na bahala sa inis ko. Teka lang, tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo. At saka
Or
mo
magtulungan
ipagdasal.
tayo. Oo,
And I think part of regulation is actually lifting it up in prayer.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung pag inis na inis ka na, Lord, naiinis talaga ako, but right now, let me just pray about it. Let me just sing it out in worship. Yun siyang part siya ng emotional regulation.
You invite God to be part of this emotion now.
Yes. Pero pag sinabi mo hindi, pagka-recognize mo, Lord, nagagalit ako. So, yung paggalit mo agad, hindi mo pa inintindi, hindi mo pa nga alam kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Ay, Lord, ko na bahala, ayoko ng ganito eh. Kasi ayaw natin minsan. Ayaw natin harapin. That's the difficult part.
Yeah. Galing naman, no? Oo nga. I think that's worth highlighting na yung part of the regulation are the spiritual practices, no? Syempre hindi din pupuntahan ng mga katulad ni na Inside Out na Pixar.
Tayo na
Allergic sila
pumunta
dyan
doon.
eh. Oo. Kaya nga tayo na ganitong episode eh. Kasi we are the ones who will try to frame this now in a Christian
Yes.
understanding of who we are, what we are, no? So like yun nga, that the emotions are not evil or sinful in themselves. Minsan kasi may mga ganun, no? Na ba't nakaramdam ako ng inggit? Siguro immature pa rin talaga ako as a
Siguro
Christian.
masama akong tao.
Masama akong tao, no? Kasi nagagalit ako, mga ganun. Bakit ako anxious? Di ba dapat with Jesus there is no fear? Ganun.
Kasi
diba?
I live it all
Kaya
up.
tingnan mo,
Oo.
pag tinignan mo, ang dami nating shoulds. Ang dami kasi nating belief system. But if you reframe the belief system now that the emotions are God's gifts, they're neither good or bad, and then that's reframing, it's creating a new belief system so that when we are actually having that emotional breakdown process, ba't grabe yung inis ko? Ba't grabe yung lungkot ko? And then bakit? Hindi mo, Lord, bakit ba ganito? Hindi. Bakit? It's a self-reflection. So, hindi mo na sabihin sa sarili mo, dapat di ka naiis, dapat di ka nagagalit. Eh, yung palang mas nakaka-stress yun eh. Yung ini-impose natin sa sarili natin, dapat hindi ka nagalit. Kasi pari ka eh. Di ba?
Pinopulis mo na yung sarili mo.
Pag pinulis mo na yung sarili mo, shutdown mo na actually yung sistema. So, hindi ka na napupunta dun sa understanding, hindi ka na napupunta sa labeling. Galit ka na eh, tama na yan eh. Talagang shutdown mo na. Hindi ka mapupunta sa healthy regulation. I think Jesus should come in dun sa healthy regulation.
Yeah. Kasama na yun doon, no? I think, no? Yun lang, kasi parang obviously, it's a very complex topic
Yes.
na hindi naman makakapture ng isang pelikula. No?
Na isang episode ng podcast.
Oo, di ba? Na napaka-OA naman niya, di ba? Kung makukuha nila lahat yun, no? Pero iniiwasan lang natin yung pitfalls of the two extremes, no? Na on the one hand, yung evil ang emotions, but at the same time, the other hand naman yung masyadong namang kinakaril yung emotion, napakawala.
Yung two kinds of people
Oo.
is that yung iba nagpapadala sa emosyon. The others naman, they're just shut
Yeah.
off. They bottle their emotions,
Yun
which
na
is
nga
also unhealthy.
And
The two
depicted in
extremes
the
not
movie,
healthy.
di ba?
Yes.
Yung tinatapo nila yung...
We are bottled emotions! Sobrang galing nun. Sorry, I just need to say it. We're suppressed. Oh my God, that's bottled emotion. That's very true. Di ba maraming taong ganyan?
Oo,
Yan ang
tsaka
yan ang nagiging sakit. Galit ka? Edong galit ka?
Wala akong...
Okay ka lang?
Okay naman ako.
Ayan.
Pero sasabog ako later.
Correct. At pag hindi mo yan nasabog, yan ang nagiging illness. Physical illness. Because, emotions are energy also eh. Lalo na yung galit. So, ayan. So, ako nga tumataas ang BP ngayon. So, sasabihin ng ating dear friend na si Dr. Didoy, what is your body telling you about that? Oh, yun.
Nako, yan na. Kasi mga sinadok dito mahirap magkonsulta dyan na daming pupuntahan. Hello, Doc. I love that. Doc, siguro what about in the movie, siguro, are there things that kailangan ding i-watch out na hindi baka misleading or baka gusto mo i-clarify or anything that based sa mga nagtanong
Okay.
sa'yo. Yeah.
Bakit maliit? Ito, maganda tong tanong na to. Bakit lumiit yung family island?
Yeah. Oo.
Hindi niyo ba napansin yun?
Oo nga, so
It
wala
was
na siyang
highlighted
ganap.
at the start.
talaga?
Oo, wala na siyang ganap.
And the family island,
Si Friends Island, ang laki.
Ang laki.
Dami nangyayari.
dun sa first movie, super laki ni Family Island. Ganon ka-significant ang family during the child's growing up years. But when the child starts to become a teenager, at the onset of puberty, they are trying to look for themselves outside the family. Na, ideally, nabuo na siya, maybe not fully, but the groundwork, the framework of the person has been set already by the family. Normal ba na they prioritize friends? Actually, yes. It's part of the developmental process because teenagers, they're social beings, it's being outside of the family. Doon matitest kung okay ang pondo at ang ginawang pagpapalaki ng magulang in the first few years. Kasi hindi mo naman makikita yun kung nasa loob lang, kung sheltered yung anak mo eh. Kaya marami, pag lumabas, doon na talaga subukan ng lakas ng magulang. 'Di ba? Kasi baka masaktan masasaktan sila. Kasi baka hindi makakope, posibleng hindi makakope. But that is when parents learn to actually don't fully let go. So you just have to step aside. You don't step backwards and then just see your kids get hurt. But step aside, hindi pwedeng lahat ikaw. You guide them, but at the end of the day, they make decisions. Paano kung magkasakit? Paano kung makasakit? Paano kung magkamali? Ito na yung investment. Diyan makikita yung belief system, kung gaano ka galing. At kung maganda ang pagkaka-form. Like in the movie, di ba? Doon na rin makikita yung value ng family at yung values ng tao. And doon din makikita yung self ng bata. Doon kasi magmamanifest lahat. Kaya ba niyang tumayo pag nasaktan? Can they learn from their mistakes? Kaya ang nangyayari, if parents keep over-functioning, you know the tiger parents or the hawks,
Yeah.
parang college na yan, pabayaan mo na mag-enroll mag-isa. Wag na ikaw makipag-usap dun sa dean. Parang ganon. You have to make them grow up because if you don't step aside slowly yan, proseso yan, they will never grow.
Yeah.
Kaya maganda dun sa movie na pinakita na she was allowed by the parents to go to a camp by herself. Doon nakita yung sense of independence niya. Oo, nagkamali siya. Ang dami niyang wrong moves, diba? But at the end of the day, the sense of self, doon lumalabas. Doon lumalabas yung pondong ginawa ng family. Kaya ang critical nung process ng adolescence na ang parents nandyan, not fully making the decisions 100% of the time. They're supportive, but yes, mas maliit na talaga yung role nila because the teenagers are looking for themselves outside of the family.
Okay, wow, grabe. Last na lang, in terms of, kunya sabi niyo, mahalaga nga yung may huhugutin ka, may laman yung belief system mo, may core memories ka. Paano naman yung mga tao na siguro kulang na nga doon, no? Saan sila, anong gagawin nila? Ano yung mga, or kunyari, paano kung yung core memories mo hindi maganda? Kasi nga, yung mga coming from, syempre mga komplikado yun, isang buong episode na naman yan. Pero just a nutshell answer kasi syempre baka they're wondering, paano ako? Parang kulang talaga ako sa, parang di ako napondohan nung bata ako. Ganyan.
Siguro, Doc, tsaka Father Albert, dito napapasok yung you parent the child within.
Yes.
Like, I grew up not really liking my father. Pero yun yung pinaayos sa akin nung ako ay i-ordain na bilang pare. Now I got to reconcile. I knew na I really love my father kaya lang may misunderstanding ako. Ngayon, paano yun? Being now a father, magpapari pa ako. I need to heal that. First, I need to understand and then accept it. And then know what to do. And then I find naman in my core memory, merong ganon. May moments ako with my father na
True,
maayos, na ganun.
oo.
Na it was not all bad. Kaya lang, syempre, you're young, nagre-rebelde ka, feeling mo walang matinong ginawa yung tatay mo. And it's not gonna help you. And now, you help yourself. You start healing yourself. And this is what I offer to God na, Lord, being now a father to many, let me be the father that I wanted to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that helped me.
So may role 'di ba si Jesus doon sa process na yun?
Yung sa part na yun, nandun na.
Diyan mo invite si Jesus at ang Holy Spirit.
Kasi hindi mo naman kaya mag-isa eh. Impossible with
Oo.
our own human capacity and weakness. It will always fail us. Pero pag doon, I think doon papasok yun.
Doon talaga malinaw, no?
Yes.
Na kay Lord mo uhugutin yan, no?
Pero galing muna yung sa akin ha.
Oo
Hindi ko
naman.
sinabing, Lord, wala akong ganun. Bahala ka na sa akin.
Oo.
It will not help.
So parang the current theme here is parang magtutulungan kayo ni Lord, no? Hindi yung magpapasapaw ka lang kay Lord tapos siya nang bahala. So siya din may kasalanan pag may problema.
Magiging artificial din kasi yun.
Oo, 'di ba? Pero at the same time, hindi rin naman siya yung kasi 'di ba ito nga secular movie, so hindi nila sinasama yung part na yun. So we just want also to offer this episode for the Christian parents who went to see the movie with their kids. Pero yun nga, parang hindi nila nahanap yung part na yun. At baka takot sila na yung anak nila lumaki na thinking na ito na yun, this is it. No?
Tsaka pag tinanong sila pag uwi, Dad, ano yung ganun?
Ako nakita ko dyan, yung sinabi mo sa parents, yung going to your question, so what do you do kung ikaw mismo, as a parent, as an adult, let's just talk to the adults here, ang dami mo palang kulang na core memory. Tama yung sinabi ni Father. Kaya di ba the challenge is that when we were young, it's our parents' responsibility to build us. But when we're older, it's our responsibility together with the Lord to actually parent ourselves. So kung kulang yung parents mo, don't expect your parents to fulfill their role when you're already an adult yourself. It's your role to reparent yourself, to reparent your child within. So, ngayon, kung ikaw naman nakita mo kulang your core memory, gawa ka ng bagong core memory. Don't expect somebody to do it for you. Ikaw yung mag-create ng new memory. Parang, ay, kulang ako sa ganito. I think I will try to explore that. This is something and then if you're a parent at nakikita mo, nagsimula ka ng hindi maganda, at maraming kulang na core memory, lalo na spiritual beliefs, religious beliefs, this is the best time for you to recreate new memories for your kids to experience church, our faith in another manner. Na hindi lang puro yung punitive God. Hindi rin yung takot sa Diyos na yung fear of the Lord na not the cautious fear of the Lord
Not the
because of
holy
the
fear.
regard, the holy fear, but the fear na panakot si Lord, di ba?
Nangungumpisal araw-araw.
That's becoming scrupulous conscience. Dami ko natandaan sa Christian living. Di ba? I love it. But dito natin ipapasok yung paano tayo makakabuo ng new belief system or dadagdagan yung belief system. So, halimbawa, if you're attending church, maybe during Sundays, pagkakain kayo after Mass, talk about the gospel. Talk about the relevance. Meron lang kaming simpleng tanong sa mga bata pag Sunday. What are you grateful for this week? And what support do you need? What are you grateful for gives us a spiritual tone. Ano yung blessing mo? How did the Lord operated in your life this week? What support do you need is actually our role as parents to support our kids. Or, ang tanong namin mag-asawa, what do you want us to pray for you? So, yun yung every Sunday, pag pauwi kami, yun yung tanong namin sa kids. Because, well, I'm blessed na our kids are also serving in the community.
Yeah.
Pero hindi lahat parang kami.
Yeah.
Pero bakit sila nag-serve sa community without us forcing them? Kasi maliit pa lang sila, nakita na nila na yun yung lifestyle namin. Kaya ngayon, wala silang resistance, sila yung nag-volunteer. Pero hindi lahat ganun. So, gawa kayo, you just don't say it, you walk it. Ako as a parent, and maybe as an expert on family life, ang taas ng expectation to walk the talk. Including here in our emotions, in developing core memories, and renewed belief system.
Yeah.
Diba? Mas maganda yung renewed belief system. Kasi nandiyan na yung old, you just integrate new
Yes.
ones.
At saka we're not canceling that kasi importante yun eh. What has been dealt in the past, wala naman nagbago eh. What we are doing now is how to handle it in our present time.
Yes.
Kasi times has changed, variables, even parenting has changed.
Social media is a very, very big component, the external circumstances on why we're operating differently.
Yung emotions, yun pa rin yun
Correct.
Pareho lang naman nagbago eh.
Walang nagbago.
Nagkaroon lang sa episode 2, in-identify yung iba.
At saka ngayon, naging sophisticated na tayo in labeling. Pag nga maraming nagtatanong, bakit dati walang ganyan? Kasi dati, konti lang yung studies. Ngayon, mas extensive na yung research in so many aspects of our lives. Kaya ngayon, nagkaroon ng proper label at proper science about this.
Kaya naalala ko sabi ni Father Albert, swerte yung generations ngayon kasi they came in this time na it's honored, it has been acknowledged. Yung time namin, walang ganun eh.
But come to think of it, this is also the generation that they have a lot of drama and mental health issues.
O kasi
Ako
nga,
sabi ng older generation, nung araw naman wala namang mental health na yan.
Mag-aral ka, hindi pwedeng, anong magbe-break ka? Term break, walang ganun.
Anong depression? Arte lang yan. But you know, it's real.
Yeah.
yeah.
Self-harm is real now.
Yes.
Diba? Suicide is real. Kaya maganda rin to. This is actually not just a movie on family. It's just not a movie on emotions, but it's also on where do we support each other in the family. If somebody is experiencing anxiety, if somebody is experiencing extreme fear, sadness, embarrassment, how do we help? Diba? Just be present. Just show your love and support. Huwag mo nang sabihan ng arte lang yan. Huwag mo nang sabihan na ipagpe-pray kita. Kailangan nila yung suporta at the time being.
Yeah. At saka sabi mo, Doc, di ba, yung nasa timing din yan.
Oo.
Di ba? Minsan, yung kailangan nila, prayers. So, sabihin mo, tama yun. No? Ilulugar mo lang din no, kung paano siya.
Very powerful. When I was a young counselor, madalas kong tanong, bakit? Pero minsan, hindi, ngayon ang mga bata hindi kayang sagutin agad-agad yung bakit. Di ba, ruler, recognize. Di pa nga nila recognize, ina-understand na nila. Hindi nila ma-label. So, minsan, ang kailangan lang tanungin natin sa mga teenagers, and I think even to us adults, without rattling them, I know you're going through something, what support do you need?
Baka yun
yakapin
kaya
mo
nilang
lang ako.
i-identify.
Yakapin mo lang ako, just be there, just listen to me. That's so simple. You don't need to do any complicated, sophisticated thing. Tanungin mo lang, saka na yung lecture, saka na yung processing, but at that moment of distress, at that moment of panic or fear or sadness, ang kailangan lang nila is somebody to support and to be safe.
Importante yan, Doc, yung kinukwento yan ng mga pamangkin ko na gustong-gusto nilang maramdaman na they are being seen.
Yes.
Kasi kung paano yun, yung nandito ako dito, pag sinabi kong ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, na alam nyong ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, hindi nyo ako pinipilit gumawa ng iba. Sabi, ganun ba yun? Oo, kasi yun, acknowledging agad. Kasi itulog mo lang yan, canceled agad.
Ang tawag nila, di ba, that's making me feel invalidated.
Yes, yan, invalidated.
Oo nga, no? Palagi nasa vocabulary ng mga...
Nasa vocabulary na nila yan. Sige, subukan natin nung time natin, sinabi natin sa tatay natin, Dad, you're invalidating my feelings.
Feelings!
Baka hindi tayo pinalabas sa
Hindi
isang
tayo
linggo.
pakakainin ng feelings mo. Yeah, no? Totoo naman. Nakakatuwa, no? I mean, wow, ang dami naman natin mag-usapan. Doc, pwede bang every month?
Subukan natin, Subukan natin, Father,
Ang galing. Ang dami ko pa actually gusto itanong. Pero grabe naman, makakatatlong episode na tayo.
Yes.
Magpapatuloy pa tayo. But, do you have any closing thoughts or anything you'd like to bring out?
Ako meron akong closing thought, In the movie, going back to the movie, remember, meron sinasabi na, I am a good person. I'm a good person. If you would spiritualize it, I am God's child. I am loved. I am God's beloved.
Yeah.
Yun yung kailangan maramdaman din ng bawat isa.
I love that.
Diba? Kasi usually parang, you're a good person. But when we put, this is where we put God. Kasi you're a good person because God made you a good person.
Yeah.
So
That
you
is
don't
who
need,
you
diba
are.
minsan, you don't need to be anyone. You don't need to do anything, but you just simply be a child of God, and that's it.
Yeah. You don't earn that, no? That's already who you are.
Who you are. And then we just need to recognize it. And then that is something for the parents, for all of us, na kailangan natin paulit-ulit na namnamin. Because that's the truth with our faith. We are God's beloved. I am a child of God. Kasi pag dun pa lang, mawawala na yung drama natin na, I feel unworthy. I'm not supposed to be doing this because of this, blah, blah, blah.
Napagdaraanan mo pa rin naman. Pero,
Pagdaraanan mo, pero hindi ka natatambay ng mga 10 years doon.
yun na nga. I love that. Yun nga. Kasi yun din ang ano ko nga na sabi ko, parang kung narinig ko ba ito noon, siguro naka-advance ako ng mas mabilis.
Pero Father, hindi mo pa sinagot
bagay-bagay.
sa amin ni Father Ed. Matatapos na lang tayo ng 3
Show ko to
episode.
Oo.
Saan yung galing?
Saan galing si embarrassment?
Wala, embarrassed. Kaganon ako. Magkatago ako
Alam
sa
mo,
hoodie
ikaw
ko.
na ikaw.
Ang ano?
Si embarrassment.
Oo nga
Ngayon ko
eh.
lang na-realize.
Tuwang-tuwa nga ako kay embarrassment. Nakaka-relate ako sa kanya. Ikaw, Father Ed, anything you wanna point out?
Sa akin, importante kasi dun sa second installment na Inside Out, yung sense of self.
Totoo.
Napaka-importante naman. That's what we define In our journey, we wanted to really know us. We wanted to define us. Pero in doing so, sometimes we really wanted to be in too much control of it.
Yes.
Nakala natin, kaya ko tong lahat eh. We wanted to be joy always. In control. Not acknowledging or undermining the other emotions. Na pwede naman tayo, we can move on from this emotion to that emotion. And to other times to this emotion. And it's all essential. Ito yung bumubuo dun sa sense of self natin. Na we wanted to deny. Minsan even dishonor. Kasi parang ayoko to maging part ng buhay ko. Wala akong anxiety. Wala akong depression and all. Tapos marirealize so meron. And then it's a requirement for you now to move on to feel that joy that you really wanted to feel. Ang hirap no kasi ang dami ko palang pinagdaanan, yung palang basic na gusto ko pa dati, yun lang din naman pala siya. Pero I need to undergo this, I need to understand it, I need to embrace it. Kasi it's all of me eh. Pag titingnan mo, ganun ka-wonderful ang Lord kung paano niya pala ako ginawa. Parehong joy ang gusto natin, pero magkaibang joy pala yung joy natin, no? Pero magkakilala sila. May fear tayo, may anger, pareho, pero magkaiba siya. And now, we bring in God in this experience of emotions. We are still in control, yes, but we offer it to the Lord na, Lord, hanggang dito lang talaga to ha, naintindihan ko to, kaya ko to, pero pag umiyak na ako, kasi matatabunan na ako nito eh. Yun ang hindi ko na kaya, Lord. Please be there with me. And here comes our understanding of God.
Meron akong pwedeng ihabol.
Yes. Of course, Doc.
Natatandaan ko dati, nung bago akong break, at 21,
Pero yung mga 4 years ago, no? Nakamove on.
Teka lang, kailan
Young
ba ako
love, sweet
nakipag-break? 21 ako nakipag-break sa aking first boyfriend. Boyfriend ko of 2.5 years, so technically that's college. Nung nakipag-break ako, I was already in a singles community. And then, mahilig talaga ako magbasa ng yung mga ganitong klaseng books, mga self-help books. And natatandaan ko dati, nung after nung breakup, I was praying for somebody. At ito yung prayer ko. Sabi ko, Lord, give me someone who will never take away my sense of self. And alam mo yun, I think that's a gift. At 21, I know what sense of self is. Kasi hindi ko matanda. Hanggang ngayon, ninanamnam ko yung dasal ko yun. When I was telling my husband last year about it, sabi niya, grabe ka, 21 ka, alam mo na yung sense of self. Sabi ko, maybe that's a gift. Maybe because of the profession also. Because ever since I was a guidance counselor when I graduated from college. But then more than that, and I think that's a gift. Kasi yung sense of self, even if I have many hats I wear, a director, a psychologist, here I'm a speaker, I'm a mother, tanggalin mo yung lahat yan. That sense of self will never be taken away. So halimbawa dun sa nangyari sa movie, kaya siya importanteng mabuo. Kasi, you know, it can be built by all your hats, by all your roles. But once it's already formed, that is you and your connection with the divine, with the one who made you. That sense of self, the core, for me, the core of my sense of self is my relationship with God, who created me, period. So wala nang makakagalaw nun. Solid
Yeah.
yun. So kahit anong mangyari sa buhay ko, knowing that I have my sense of self, eto ako, kahit na medyo bumabaksak kami sa buhay, you're in a depressed mode, you're going through so much, but that is something that it's always connected to the Creator. And that's what you offer back to God.
Diyan na rin doon papasok kasi yung our sense of self-actualization.
Yes.
We
Yeah.
become actualized in the time that we bring it to God. This is me now, God.
Yes.
So please come with me, God, with the mind na ito na ako.
O, tapos sasabihin ni Lord sa'yo, di ba sabi ko naman sa'yo noon pa?
Di ba dati pa nga?
Ay, ang tagal mo lang makinig.
Ito yung default.
Ang dami mo kasing drama.
Oo, ruler, di ba? Ruler. I love it, Doc. Doc, I'm sure the listeners would like to hear more from you, or maybe they'd like to invite you or whatever. Can you invite them to your
Okay.
to where they could get more of Doc
You can
Itchel?
get more of me.
Monthly at the podcast.
No, monthly here or maybe some snippets of things. But first, you can follow my page, Michelle Alignay in Facebook and Michelle Alignay in Instagram. Marami akong drama and
Wala ka
everything.
namang mga fake accounts ganyan
Wala
to
akong,
watch.
may gumagamit ng mukha ko. May
Alright,
fake accounts na
alright.
gumagamit ng mukha ko, pero yung pangalan ko sa awa ng Diyos, akin pa rin yun.
Yeah.
And then another thing is that if you have emotional triggers because of this episode or something else, and you need somebody to walk with you, just to listen to you, you can go to our page, Light of Jesus Pastoral Care.
I love
We
that.
are a donation-based ministry. So if you want to support our ministry, we're open to donations. But if you want to get help from our ministry sa mga drama at mga struggles natin na hindi tayo excuse lahat, please message us via Messenger. And somebody will answer to you from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mondays to Saturday. Siguradong
I love
somebody
that.
will walk
Imagine
with
may
you.
ganyan pala.
That's our ministry.
Dami sa ating sinasarili yung problema kasi wala naman makikinig.
Minsan ang kailangan mo
Oo.
lang talaga may makinig.
Yeah. I love that. So, a Light of Jesus.
Light of Jesus Pastoral Care. And you want to take hold more of me? Get my books at Facebook. So I have this, You Can Care For You, The Soul and Science of Self-Care. The other one is Beauty of 40, Unwrapping the Gift of Midlife, at ang aking Cardinal Sin Catholic Book Award book called Family Goals, Embracing the
Wow.
Imperfections of Family Life. All of it, you can get it at St. Paul. You can get it at feastbooks.ph or Feastbooks in Lazada or Shopee.
Yeah, we can carry it naman. No?
Yes.
O tsaka, Doc, baka isang beses kami naman.
Kaya,
Sabi ni Brother Randy, huwag ka nang babalik sa podcast na yan. Naminirata ka pa. Ha? Brother, joke lang po
Baka
yun.
tanggalan ako ng funding
We
ni
are-
Brother Randy sa pastoral
Ayun ang
care.
hindi namin kayang palitan.
Oo,
Oo. Kaya okay na tayo dyan. And joke lang yun, no? We're all
Yes.
collaborators in the same vineyard of
Yes.
the Lord. So we're
Amen.
happy to promote your book, no, with Feast Books. And thank you, Doc. Talagang feeling ko ang dami mabibless ng
Nag-podcast
episode
na ba tayo
ito.
nun? Para lang tayo nagdaldalan eh.
Oh, grabe nga eh. Kung pwede nga lang pati yung mga yung mga unguarded moments natin, may laman pa rin eh. Kaso may mga napagkukwentuhan. But thank you very much. Also, Ed, thank you for
Thank you, Dan.
being here na
Thank you,
kasi
Doc.
nga kung ako lang to, baka hindi ko masyadong, ma-wavelength lahat. Baka mag-grilla ako kay embarrassment.
Baka na napalabas ko ng issue niya.
balikan natin, Doc, next episode.
Yes, next episode.
Live
promise
session
yan.
pala to. Grabe. I feel, anong term yung mga violate ang aking
Harass.
safe space. Oo.
You feel confronted? Yan.
Walang lusot.
Invalidate.
Wala
But
tayong lusot dito,
Thank you
guys.
for inviting me here, Pads.
Yes, sana po makaulit kami. So, to
Yes.
everyone who listened all the way, thank you very much and we are so grateful for all your support as always. And please do like and share Padscast wherever you are catching it, kahit sa Facebook or Spotify or all other major podcast platforms, because your like and share helps us get to be known by other people through their algorithms. So, of course, you're also free to give donations to our ministries through St. Paul's or sa aming donation channel. So, thank you very much again to everyone. Ako po si Paz Albert with Doc Itchel. and Father
Father Edong po.
Edong. And ito po ang podcast powered by St. Paul's, and may God bless us all.